Did you know a single sperm cell is faster than a tiny jet, survives extreme conditions, and contains secrets that will blow your mind? Most people have no idea what sperm cells can really do. By the end of this video, you'll see these tiny cells in a whole new way. A sperm cell may be microscopic, but it's a speed machine. It can swim up to 5 millimeters per minute, which is crazy fast for something 0.05 millimeters long. That's like a human running 100 kilometers per hour relative to its size. And here's the wild part. Millions of sperm start the race, but only one wins. Sperm cells are tougher than you think. They can survive in extremely acidic or basic environments for hours. Inside the female reproductive tract, most die, but the lucky few navigate the obstacles like a GPS to reach the egg. Imagine surviving a maze filled with traps. That's every sperm's journey. Even though sperm are microscopic, each contains half the DNA needed to make a human. That's 23 chromosomes packed in a tail and a head smaller than a grain of sand. And their tail isn't just for show, it propels them like a propeller. If humans had the same relative power, a single person could lift a bus with one finger. Sperm don't live forever. Outside the body, most die in minutes. Inside the female body, some can survive up to 5 days, waiting for the perfect moment. And here's the mind-blowing part. One tiny cell can create an entirely new human being. One cell, that's insane. Sperm cells are more than just swimmers. They can sense chemical signals from the egg, like a biological homing device. They can even compete, blocking weaker sperm from reaching the egg. Think of it as a tiny microscopic battle royale, and only the strongest survives. So the next time you think about sperm, remember, speed demons, survival experts, DNA powerhouses, chemical homing warriors, they're the ultimate tiny supercells. If you thought these facts were insane, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video because your body is way crazier than you think.